Good Monday morning to you. We are ready for another cold blast here in New York. We come to you from Times Square. I'm Joya Dass filling in for John Marino. It's February 24th, and here's what we are watching for you ahead of today's opening bell. The U.S. futures markets are pointing to a higher open when trading gets underway. An update on the situation in the Ukraine. President Viktor Yanukovych signed a deal with the opposition to resolve the conflict, and Parliament voted to remove him over the weekend. A successor has been appointed. However, a warrant for Yanukovych's arrest is out there. Taking a look at the European markets for you this morning, there is fresh data indicating that German business confidence rose for a fourth straight month. And that's certainly helping sentiment higher. If you take a look at the indexes right now, the FTSE 100 is actually down 0.1%. The DAX is down 0.1%, but the CAC 40 is up 0.2%. As we take a look at some of the Asian markets, Japan's Nikkei average is down 0.2%. In fact, overnight, we're taking a look at the Asian markets, and overall, they were mixed to lower. All right, back here in the U.S., we are keeping an eye on HSBC. I'm going to take a walk over to the board and take a look at the stock for you this morning at 54.33. The company is one stock to watch today because it saw a 9% increase in pre-tax profits. What's key here, though, is that number missed Wall Street expectations, despite the fact that the company has cut over 40,000 jobs and shuttered over 60,000 businesses in the last 3 years. Now, the key here is whether or not recent volatility in emerging markets will hurt its business going forward. That remains a big question mark. All right, we're taking a look at Netflix as well as Comcast. Netflix, you can see in the pre-market, is under a little bit of pressure, down 1.7%. Comcast, ticker symbol CMCSA, up 1.5% in the pre-market. And here is the headline. In an effort to make sure that movies and TV shows stream a little bit more quickly through broadband networks, Netflix has struck up an agreement with Comcast. Now, Comcast and other cable providers, just to give you a little bit of background, are taking steps to take more stewardship over exactly how content streams through their pipes. They're, of course, looking to get money from content providers like a Netflix. Terms of the deal were not disclosed, but this could perhaps result in higher fees for streaming customers. The next stock we want to talk about is Las Vegas Sands, ticker symbol LVS. This is the world's largest gambling company by market value. And it says this morning that it's ready to invest $10 billion in the country of Japan, which, by the way, is projected to be Asia's second largest casino market. Sands is reportedly opening offices and hiring in Japan. Our final stock we want to look at this morning is Occidental Petroleum Corporation, ticker symbol OXY. That, by the way, is also today's action alert. Jim Cramer is watching this company and a couple of other stocks in the space. He says that there are two ways that a company can do itself a little bit of a favor, either make an acquisition or split businesses to unlock value. So in this purview, he's watching Occidental, which is spinning off its prized California possessions, and they are, in his opinion, the best left in the country to exploit right now. He says the best is yet to come for the company, but he's played these breakups before when possible, and they have been his most successful holdings. Track your stocks and find the latest investing ideas throughout the day at TheStreet.com. At the Nasdaq Marketsite in Times Square, I'm Joya Dass. Have a great day.